We stopped at a restaurant outside of security because I don't know how much food options we have on the inside. So we're gonna eat really quick, and then go through security, hopefully really quick. And then we board in like 40 minutes or something like that. Itadakimasu. I just got spicy udon and Nick got chicken and curry. Woo, made it through security. We finished eating, paid, went through security. Pretty easy process. And now we're heading to our gate. It looks like they have a Louis Vuitton. What should I buy next? I'm still on the hunt for a passport holder, but we'll see what else is over here. I hope there's some eats or something. A little kombini. I actually really like public restrooms better than the one that is at our hotel because the toilet seats are always like heated, and then when you come in, it kind of like did a little spray, and then it has toilet seat cleaner, and you just grab some toilet paper and then you just, you know, and then wipe it down. But then it even has like a little blower to like dry everything. I don't know, it's crazy. Bathrooms here, amazing. I need one. Yes. Best dollar purchase. We are back, and we are back in California. We forewent our last two flights. It was supposed to be from LA to Phoenix and then Phoenix, but we figured, I think we were landing like 3 p.m. or something like that, 3:30. So we just figured we'll just rent a car.
Now
and
we'll get there at 10:51.
10:51 with some stops to get food. Nick, what do you want to eat? He was craving McDougal's early. Yeah. Well, we're here in Southern California, LAX.
Thank you.
And yeah, heading out, get some food, and then hitting the road. Hope you guys liked this little adventure of ours. And we have to do it again. Again and again. And again and again. We left America eating McDonald's, and we're coming back eating McDonald's. Nick did something fancy. He got a sausage egg McMuffin and put a hash brown in there. Some ketchup on there. We're doing an unpacking, unboxing, shopping haul. First thing, I bought a suitcase. It's Louis Vuitton. Oh. Yeah, I bought this. I'm happy. I've been wanting this. The hats that I brought and I didn't wear. Okay, but this is two. Very excited about this one. Need to take this to the dry cleaner today. Yee, I'm so excited to wear this. I could wear this right now. Bought sinus severe because I'm congested. And we're also doing laundry, so that is happening as well. This is laundry. I got this for my bestie. I got these ears from Hello Kitty Sanrio Puro Land. I got these shorts. Thrifted these. These are brand new. Brand new shorts. Very excited. Brand new shorts, and they still have like the stitching on it. Like, hold on. Like, hasn't even been busted open yet. But these are a win. Got this for the baby on the way. I got some of these supplements. I have two vegan Ichidan. Laundry. It's just, it's so nice that the laundry room is right here. So I'm just chucking all my stuff over there. I got this for Christmas, but it's super like soft and fleecy that it left all my clothes with lint. Laundry. Nothing, just doing laundry. all running around my suitcase is a bunch of these 7-Eleven dressing packets. I have two different ones. Japanese style dressing. That. And then there is green shiso dressing. I got a bunch of capsule little trinkets. Cinnamon roll. Pudding. Another pudding. Magnet. I'm excited for this. I probably could have fit way more in my suitcase, but the duty-free people, they like packaged everything, so I wasn't really able to like maximize the space that I had. Kit Kat in strawberry cheesecake flavor. Ooh, I need this now. Nose mint. I'm using this now. I need it now. It's basically like a menthol pocket to travel portable aroma oil stick. It's great. Wow. Ooh, I got this and I wanted to try it earlier because to see if I liked it and then maybe buy another one, but again, everything was packaged and I wasn't sure if like I was allowed to open it before security. I could have opened it before security. Lily Tone lip tint. I got the darkest shade because that's just the type of person I am. She's a little dark. I'm a little scared, but we'll see. Oh, okay. Not bad. Just slight little tint. Okay. I can deal with that. A little red. A little dark. But that's okay. Vitamin C concentrated serum. I have this one, which I got from Costco and I really, really like, but I'm almost out. So I wanted to get a new one. Oh, she's kind of big. Whoa, she kind of really big. Okay, made in Japan. She's 2.3 fluid ounces, 60 milliliters. I'm pretty excited about that. Cool. And then Nick got one of these, the little spicy thing. Oh, I got pure retinol. So many good things. Cool. High class moist essence of retinol. She's kind of heavy though. And then I got another one of these. Got for my sister. I got 2 face masks in. They look like Hello Kitty, so that's gonna look really silly, but who cares? Green tea Kit Kat. Lots of ramen. Oh, pistachio nuts. Chocolate covered pistachios. We have Kyoto Uji matcha. It's big. She a big boy. Okay. Oh, popcorn. Look at that. Bento box. Oh, there's more dressing. I got a cup for my friend. I got another cup for my niece. It's a Stanley Starbucks duo. I'll put a picture somewhere here, or maybe not. Who knows? I always like to try female products from other countries. See, Nick got this really cool windbreaker. Ooh, more stuff here. Okay, I got Nick a brush. All the hotels and stuff has lots of cool toiletries. He got a beanie making thing, these chips, gift, snack, chopsticks for gifts, seaweed, cashews, wasabi crushed nuts, more nuts, these guys, mustard, nori strips, some cool socks, a card for Kanani's birthday, which is tomorrow. Some pistachios. Some french fries. Took these from the hotel. And then these, which Nick didn't try on the airplane, but that's fine. I think that's it. Oh, I got this from 7-Eleven skincare, which I used. Matcha sticks, so I'm going to take that with me on the plane and when I'm working. I should have got more, but also I think these were like super expensive. I don't know. I think that's it. Oh, the little gift that I was given. Little keychain, peanuts, all this stuff. It's a lot. All right.